Today I want to share with you guys an adapter that allows you to plug two AR or XR glasses to one device. In this case, I have the in-ear pod. The reason why I chose the in-ear pod is because the in-ear pod will allow two different devices to watch 3D content at the same time. So this cable, well, first of all, I was browsing through not Reddit, Discord, and I came across this cable that Justin had posted. So right away I went on Amazon, I ordered one and literally got it the same day. And this is the cable right here. Now, I know you're seeing this right here and you're seeing this. Well, these are two different types of adapter. This one allows you to plug your glasses and charge a device at the same time. So for example, if you want to charge the in-ear pod and use it at the same time to watch content, you just plug this in and then you are able to charge. Now, ideally, you don't want to use this version for the pod, but you can if you already have one. I primarily use this for my phone because I have a Samsung Fold and it fits like a glove. It just, fits in perfectly. So that's what I use for my phone. But basically, that's what this is, right? What makes this different is the fact that you can plug two glasses at the same time, once again, to watch 3D content with two different glasses, literally. Now, in order for this to work, you need to plug in a power adapter in the middle. But by plugging in that power adapter, it also charges your device at the same time. So imagine you are on a flight, right? And you and your wife, your girlfriend, your boyfriend, whatever, you and your partner, or maybe a friend want to watch the same thing on the glasses. Now you can do it with this cable right here. My girlfriend and I, we take a lot of trips. We travel a lot together. And this right here is going to come in handy for when we are on flights because we can literally watch the same thing in a big screen and you will get audio and video at the same time. When you have something like a Samsung Fold, you can use DeX. All you have to do is plug it in and it's going to mirror the videos into two different glasses, right? If you want to use the in-ear pod, you can do that. You can do it at the same time and you will get two different videos. But if you want to get 3D, then you would have to go into the settings of the in-ear pod and you're going to have to do this little hack, which is by tapping your profile name multiple times until a menu comes up. Once the menu comes up, you're going to click on switch to 3D. Once you click on 3D, now you're going to put your glasses in 3D side by side and voila, you'll be able to watch 3D content using the glasses because in-ear has AI 2D to 3D conversion. So you can literally watch 3D content with two different glasses. When you're using the VideoBeast, I think it automatically switches the audio. And when you're using the Xtreal 1 Pro or any of the Xtreal 1 series glasses, you would have to go into the settings and change the audio to audio DP or DisplayPort. If you don't have the 1 series glasses of the Xtreal, you're gonna have to use a key combinations. So if you, for example, have one of the older Xtreal devices, you're gonna have, I think it's like you press an old minus or something like that. You're gonna have to Google it, but it can help you switch to a different audio mode. But anyway, I just wanted to tell you guys about this cable right here. I think it's incredible. I think it's worth it if you have somebody you like to share content with. Maybe you have a son, a daughter, or just somebody that you want to share a video with. I think it's really cool. Once again, it does charge device at the same time. I'm going to put a link to these two devices in case you want one. Once again, shout out to Justin. I don't even know who found the cable, but I've been searching for that cable for a very long time and I'm glad I have it. Anyway, guys, so give it a shot if it's something that you've been looking for. Thanks for watching. Peace.